Hello everyone, I'm Gayatri Girish. Through this video, we are discussing Right to Information Act 2005 and how to file an RTI application online. This video is under Pan-India Legal Literacy and Legal Awareness Program conducted by Center for Environmental Law, Education, Research and Advocacy, CEERA, National Law School of India, University, Bengaluru, under the aegis of Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India. To start with, we all know that an informed citizenry is very important and necessary to make the government more accountable and bring transparency in the governance. The RTI Act 2005 can be termed as a revolutionary legislation to increase transparency and accountability in the government. It also enables and empowers the citizens to obtain timely responses to their requests for information from the public authorities. The information under the Act can be obtained by an RTI application in the manner elaborated under Chapter 2 of the Act. Let us now understand what is a public authority. Public authority has been defined under Section 2H of the RTI Act. Public authority means any authority or body or an institution of self-government established or constituted by the Constitution or any other law made by the Parliament or by the state legislature or by any notification or an order made by the appropriate government. It also includes any body owned, controlled or substantially financed by the government or any non-governmental organization which is substantially financed by the government, directly or indirectly by funds provided by the appropriate government. Let us look into few examples of public authorities which are under the RTI Act. They are central and state government agencies, municipal corporations, public sector undertakings, ministries of the state governments and central governments, government-owned companies, public works department, road authorities, government universities, government schools, passport offices, among the many authorities. However, certain public authorities are exempted from the RTI Act in the matters of national security, sovereignty, intelligence and national defense. A total of 22 authorities are exempted from the RTI application and information for the reasons mentioned in the Act. Now, let us look into how do we file an RTI application. There are two modes of filing an RTI application. One, under the RTI Act 2005, a general RTI application, and the second, an online RTI portal established by the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. To file a general RTI application, we must first write the application with the specific questions in clear terms to the concerned department. The application must have the name of the applicant, contact details, and the addresses as to where the information and the response has to be sent. The application shall be sent to the Public Information Officer established by the RTI Act of the department concerned. Let us look into the online portal RTI developed by the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. The Department of Personnel and Training has initiated an online portal to facilitate the filing of RTI applications and appeals online. Now, let us look into filing an RTI application. There are two modes of filing an RTI application. One, the general RTI application under the RTI Act 2005, and the second, an online RTI portal developed by the Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India. To file a general RTI application, one must write the application with the specific questions in clear terms to the concerned department. The application must have the name of the applicant, contact details, and the addresses as to where the information and response has to be sent. The application shall be sent to the Public Information Officer of the department concerned. Let us look into Online RTI Portal. The Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India has initiated the Online RTI Portal to facilitate the filing of RTI applications and appeals online. Who can file Online RTI application? Any Indian citizen who is desirous to obtain any information under the RTI Act from the list of public authorities mentioned in the website can make a request through the web portal. They can access to the web portal by clicking Online RTI Request Form. This Online RTI Portal has been developed to facilitate applications and appeals to the central authorities. RTI applications and appeals to the central authorities can be filed at the central RTI portal rtionline.government.in. For example, to obtain an information from the Department of School Education and Literacy from some of the following government agencies, an application can be made regarding the information. An application to know the RTE status can be made to the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE, or the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Applications to know the status of education, research and training can be made to National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT. RTI applications for the respective state authorities can be filed from the respective state online portals. For example, the state of Karnataka, the online portal is rtionline.karnataka.government.in. Now, let us look into the fees for an online RTI application. Fee for online application is same as the fee for general RTI application as prescribed under RTI Rules to 2012. A demand draft or a cheque or an Indian postal order of ₹10 payable to the accounts officer of the public authority can be made by the applicant. A fee of ₹10 by way of cash can be made to the public authority with a proper receipt. According to the RTI Rules 2012, no fee is required to be paid by any citizen who is below the poverty line. The payment of fee for an online application can be made through internet banking, credit or debit cards, RuPay card or UPI. If additional fees are required for providing an information, the Central Public Information Officer would intimate through the online portal. This can be seen by the applicant in the application status report and the mail alerts. The applicant should provide mobile numbers to receive the SMS alerts. As per the RTI Act, no fee has to be paid for the first appeal. What are the benefits and advantages of online web portal? Online web portal has been made to facilitate easy access to the different departments. The benefits and advantages are: the web portal of the RTI Online has the list of 2,463 public authorities and the ministries through which the online RTI portal can be accessed. It also has a unique registration number. On submission of the application, a unique registration number would be issued, which should be used for all future references from the concerned department. The applicant will get an email or an SMS alert on submission of application. The application filed through online would reach to the nodal officer of the concerned ministry. The officer then would transmit or transfer the RTI application to the concerned Public Information Officer. RTI applications and appeals to the central authorities can be filed at the central RTI portal mentioned rtionline.government.in. We hope that this video was useful and helpful in learning how to file an RTI application online. For further informative videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.